We're going to be in cooperative learning groups today. So group 1, Annalise is going to be your materials manager. Taylor, you're going to be the primary investigator. David, the maintenance director. And Kristen, the reporter. Y'all will get little tents that will show y'all what that actually means. For group 2, Tyler, you're going to be materials manager. Sarah, you will be your primary investigator. Monique will be the maintenance director. And Jennifer will be the reporter. Keep those in mind. Are the tents on the table already? No, they'll be up there. Okay. So for the Explore, I'm about to give you all an exploration guide. As the observations, and this is going to be, so in this exploration guide, you're going to be filling out things as you go. It's going to ask you questions. You'll see the different investigations that we do, and as you go, this will not only like kind of guide you as I'll be helping you, so if you need to read it, you can read it, but you'll also see the questions that we'll be doing. We're going to make sure, for safety, we're going to make sure we're wearing our safety goggles. Don't remove goggles until you're instructed to do so. And we're going to go ahead, and so if I can get the materials manager to go ahead and go get everything right now. So whoever's the materials manager in y'all's group, go get the trays and the safety goggles and pass them out. Do we go back to it?
Yeah, please.
Who's there? Our materials manager, sorry.
Oh, no, you're not.
Yeah. So materials manager is Annalise, and Tyler.
I don't know.
So as y'all are getting this done, I'm going to pass these out. Put y'all's names on them. Don't fill anything out until we talk about what we're filling out.
Materials manager, don't forget the other two.
4. Make sure y'all are going with me and not getting ahead of yourselves so that we're all paying attention. That kind of thing. Can I also have, let's see, Alright, so everybody get your goggles on. I'm going to walk y'all through the first, just so y'all know how to do this. So after your name's on it, we're going to start with our first investigation, and I'm going to demonstrate it for y'all. As y'all go, we're going to do the questions. I'm going to help y'all fill it out so y'all know what y'all are doing. So the first demonstration, I'm going to take this piece of paper, and I'm going to do something really cool. All ready? Bam. I ripped it, right? So the first question says, on 1A, it says, what happened after the paper ripped? Did the paper change at all? So I'm going to let y'all kind of write something down, and I'm going to call on somebody. Alright, Kristen, what did you say?
I said that it was split into 2 halves.
Okay, and did the paper change at all?
I said it got smaller.
It just got smaller?
Like,
Okay.
2 pieces were smaller.
Okay, awesome. Alright, one more demonstration here. Make sure y'all's glasses are on. When y'all are ready, put your pens down, let me know, and put some eyes on me. 1, 2, 3. Y'all ready? Okay. So I want y'all to specifically watch, bring me the safety first. So be specifically looking at, I'm going to try to do it behind so that y'all can see what happens to the paper as it goes. Just be looking at what happens to the paper. This is why I have safety. Alright. So, y'all saw what happened. So, what happened after the flame touched the paper? Describe the color. Alright, David.
When the flame touched the paper changed from white to black.
Black. Alright. Cool. Good. Good. Does everybody agree with him? Yes? Yes? Everybody saw the same thing? Good. Brown? Brown?
I thought that it was spectrum.
Personally, I thought it went from like yellow to a little bit of brown.
I feel like we were seeing the full color spectrum. I don't know about that.
It slowly turned dark brown.
Alright. And secondly, one more question, and then we're going to do a lot on, y'all are going to get y'all's hands going. Do you think the substance of the paper has been changed this time? Alexis can't answer questions. Annalise.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Alright. So, now we're going to get into y'all doing some stuff. So keep in mind, just for now, we're going to be coming back to these answers later. On the back, there is something that says discussion questions. Don't look at those yet. We're going to get to them. Be thorough with your observations. Be looking at them. Y'all know how to do that. But describe your 5 senses. Y'all got that. So let's get started. So first, safety. Safety first. Don't remove your goggles until instructed to do so. As y'all saw, that could have been interesting. Do not eat or drink any of the materials. There's, lemonade, milk, things that look like you could eat them or drink them because you would at home, but we're going to be putting things in them and we need them, so that would be bad. Use caution when transferring the liquid materials. Don't spill them, don't get them on yourself, and report any spills to me. Gather everything, and alright, we can move over across. We're going to actually do our investigations over here. I'm sorry guys, that's my fault. Your groups, we're going to move over here, and we're going to do most of our investigations over here just so you all have a separate area. Go ahead and take your exploration guides with you as you go. And the time, everything's going to be timed, so as soon as it's all timed, y'all need to have everything done by the time that the time is up. So make sure y'all are moving, getting onto the task, okay?
Austin, the timer's on the slideshow. The timer's on the PowerPoint. On the PowerPoint.
It works though?
Mm-hmm.
So, for this first one, you'll have 1 minute and 30 seconds. What I want y'all to do is take the plastic cup that is in front of you, and we're going to pour the labeled ice water into the cup.
Austin. Keep going.
Alright. So, what happened to the cup after you poured water into it, and did the cup change color? Just take a minute to answer all this.
No, Austin. Keep going.
Pour the ice water, once y'all are done, pour the ice water out of the plastic cup. Quickly dry the plastic cup with a napkin and set it to the side. We don't have napkins. Just pour it out, and we shall see. I don't think we have napkins anywhere, because I looked for them a minute ago. Cool. Alright, y'all can set it to the side. Alright, so time is up. Go ahead and answer. Make sure y'all put y'all's observations down for those questions. As the cup is changing colors, or not changing colors, after the cup is done, after y'all are done answering, we're going to take a cup and look back at it. So, never mind, we're not going to look back at it. Next, take the cup of milk and lemon juice and put it in front of y'all. Y'all have 2 minutes for this one. Pour the lemon juice into the milk, and I want y'all to stir for 10 seconds. Make sure y'all are getting the lemon juice and not the lemonade. There you go. There you go. Give it a solid 10 seconds.
Butter.
Alright. Alright. Give it about a solid 10 more seconds. Alright, place that back to the side one more time. I want y'all to grab the lemonade and the sugar. And we're going to pour the sugar into the lemonade and stir that for a good while too. About 20-30 seconds. That was great. Just saying that. Alright, y'all can go ahead and set that aside. So we're going to start answering some questions. So, what happened when the sugar was mixed with the lemonade? Take some time, discuss it with your group as you go, but y'all have a little bit of time. Group discussion is good.
Austin. Austin. The timer is on the next slide.
Alright. Next question, discuss for a second. Did you notice something appear in the cup after combining the sugar and the lemonade that was different from the substances that were mixed? Take a minute, discuss with your group, and write your answer down.
What's next? It comes up. It's animated. Like
Okay, and last question, if so, what was a different substance?
Austin.
Alright, take the plastic cup, put it back in front of you. Notice something about it, anything about it, discuss amongst your group, and go ahead and answer the 2 questions. Did the color change remain after letting the cup sit? And do you think the substance of the cup has changed? You'll have about a minute on these 2 questions. Alright, about 10 more seconds. Alright, go ahead and after y'all filled those out, take the cup of milk and lemon juice. Okay, move it around a little bit more with the popsicle stick as you go, but go ahead and discuss and answer these questions as you think about it. What happened when the lemon juice was mixed with the milk? And did you notice something appear in the cup after combining the milk and lemon juice that was different than the substance mixed? If so, what is the different substance composed of? About 30 more seconds. That's the timer. We're gonna go ahead and say time is up. If you would have your materials, take your jobs, clean up a little bit, and once y'all are done, y'all can move back to y'all's seats and remove y'all's safety glasses, and go ahead and flip to the back page and be ready for your